Let's divide 458 by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with me, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We look at the first digit of 458, which is 4. We're using the digit 4 for this step. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's check 2 times 2 is 4, perfect. Now we subtract 4 minus 4 equals 0. We have no remainder here. Awesome job, you're doing great. Now let's bring down the next digit to make our next number. Ready for the next step? Let's go. We bring down the next digit 5 and join it with our remainder 0. Now we have 5. How many times does 2 fit into 5? It fits 2 times. Let's see, 2 times 2 is 4. We're getting closer. Subtracting 4 from 5 leaves us with 1. That's our new remainder. You're doing an amazing job. Keep that energy up. Time to bring down the last digit and finish this up. Last step, here we come. You've got this. We bring down the 8 and combine it with our remainder 1. Now we have 18. That's the last digit. How many times does 2 go into 18? Think of your 2 times tables. It's 9. Let's check 2 times 9 is 18. Exactly right. Subtracting 18 from 18 gives us 0. No remainder left. Woohoo, you crushed it. That's the end of our division. We've reached the end. Our final answer is 229. Great job. So 458 divided by 2 is 229. Great job, everyone! We just tackled long division step by step and found out that 458 divided by 2 equals 229. Remember, every problem is a chance to practice and become a math superstar. That's all for today. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video on Let's Stud.